Welcome back to another 10-minute yoga practice. Today's practice is all about opening up through the shoulders, the chest and the front of the body. Of course, we only have a short amount of time, so we're not going to be diving into some really deep back bends, but we're just going to work on creating space and openness throughout the whole front body. So when you're ready, come into tabletop. Just onto your hands and onto your knees. Bring the knees underneath the hips. And then begin to walk the hands forwards, coming into your puppy pose. So melt the chest down towards the earth, let the forehead rest onto the mat or maybe onto a block. Press down through the front of the body, really find a stretch through the shoulders, the chest, the armpits. And if it feels good, find stillness, otherwise just take a little wiggle. And just straight away begin to connect with a moment of breath, just beginning to breathe in and out of the nose. Lovely. And then when you're ready, inhale, look forwards between the thumbs. And as you exhale, just begin to walk the hands all the way back up, coming underneath the shoulders. From here, inhale, tuck your toes under. And then exhale, lift straight up and back, come into downward facing dog. Once you're there, just begin to bend one knee, bend the other knee. Just kind of walk your dog, shake into the hips a little bit. Just take some movements. And then finding a moment to find stillness. On your inhale, look forwards between the thumbs. And as you exhale, begin to walk the feet all the way to the front of the mat. Bring the feet about hip distance apart. Find a nice generous bend into your knees. And then interlace the fingers behind the lower back. As you inhale, draw the fists up and over, feeling a big release through the shoulders. And you can find stillness, maybe sway a little bit, maybe bend one knee, then the other. Just kind of spend a moment to explore. Lovely, and then find stillness. Release the arms to the floor, tuck your chin, bend your knees and begin to roll vertebrae by vertebrae all the way up to standing. Once standing, just find mountain pose, growing nice and tall through the spine. On an inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Now as you exhale, hips forwards, cactus the elbows, begin to feel the core fire up. Inhale, extend the arms back to the sky. Exhale, swan dive forwards, lead with the chest and then the chin to forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift, hands to shins or floor. Exhale, hands down, step the left foot to the back of the mat and then drop the left knee to the mat. Draw the hips forwards as you inhale, arms to the sky. Now as you exhale, interlace the hands behind you, behind the lower back, From there, inhale, draw the fists up and away, just opening up again across the chest, across the shoulders. Just a big breath in. And a slow breath out. Release the fingertips, inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And then exhale, place the hands down, frame your right foot. Lift the left knee up and then as you inhale, sweep the right leg to the sky, find a three-legged dog. As you exhale, bend the right knee, open up across the hip. Relax the left heel, relax the left knee if you need to, but really think about drawing the heel towards the bum, finding that front stretch in the quad. Take a full breath in here. And then exhale, look forward, step the right foot forwards between the hands. From here, turn the back heel flat. As you inhale, look forwards, rise up, come into your warrior one. As you exhale, release the hands down and around behind you, interlace the fingers behind the lower back. As you inhale, lift the fists, the chin, the chest. And then exhale, bow down to the inside of the right thigh for your humble warrior. Just let the head release down, let the front knee bend, Take a deep breath in. And a slow breath out. Beautiful. On an inhale, press through that right foot, come all the way back to warrior one, releasing the arms to the sky. And then exhale, release the hands down, frame your front foot. Inhale, step the left foot forwards, find a flat back, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, circle the arms all the way up to standing. As you exhale, cactus the elbows, draw the hips forward, squeeze the upper back together. Inhale, arms back to the sky. Exhale, swan dive forwards and down, leading with the chest and then the chin. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, step the right foot to the back of the mat, drop the right knee to the floor. Inhale, reach your arms up into low lunge. And then as you exhale, this time interlace the fingers, place the gate of the hand behind the head and the neck, and then lift the head up, lift the chin, lift the chest as you engage through the upper back. So just really kind of let the weight of the head do some of the work. Just a full breath in and a full breath out. Really, really nice. As you inhale, come back to center, extend the arms high. As you exhale, release the hands down, frame the left foot. Lift the right knee up. As you inhale, free legs dog, left leg extends up and back. And then exhale, bend the left knee, open up across the hip. So again, just relax the right heel, maybe finding a little bend into the right knee. Lovely. Take one more inhale. And then exhale, look forward, step the left foot forwards, turn the back heel flat. Inhale for warrior one, arms reach forwards and up to the sky. And then exhale, circle the arms down and around behind you, interlace the fingers behind the lower back. Inhale, lift the fists, the chin, the chest. Exhale, humble warrior, bow all the way down inside that left thigh. Beautiful. Just take a full breath in and exhale. On your next inhale, lift the chin, come all the way back, warrior one, release the arms to the sky. Exhale, hands down, frame the left foot. Inhale, step the right foot forward, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, nose to knee. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up to standing, gaze up. And then this time, exhale, right back down, forward fold or Uttanasana. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, step back to your high plank position. Hold high plank just for an in-breath. And then exhale, lower all the way down to the belly. From here, untuck your toes, come up onto the fingertips, create little tents with the hands, and take your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. As you inhale, rise to cobra, open up across the chest. As you exhale, wave down all the way back to the mat. One more like that. Inhale, rise to cobra, open up across the chest. And then exhale, wave it all the way back down. Lovely. From there, interlace the hands behind the lower back. Engage through the quads, feel the kneecaps lift off the floor. As you inhale, lift the fists, the chin, the chest up. Stay there, or as you exhale, lift the thighs and the legs, coming into your bound locust pose. Just a big full breath in here. And a slow breath, let it go. Lovely. One more in-breath. And then exhale, release everything back to the floor. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Give the hips a little bit of a wiggle. And then go ahead and tuck your toes under. Inhale, press to tabletop position. And then exhale, send your bum to your heels. Come into an extended child's pose. Just really press down through the shoulders. Feel the stretch through the armpits. Full inhale. Big sigh, exhale. Lovely. Slide the hands towards the knees. Inhale, raise the bum off the heels. Take the hands around the hips. Tailbones long, core's active, quads are active, thighs are active. Take an inhale, lift the chest. And then exhale, just come into your half camel, baby camel. If you want to come into full camel and you feel ready, go for it. Just last little bit of openness here. Beautiful. And then inhale, come all the way back up. Untuck the toes. Exhale, sit the bum down. Release the hands onto the thighs. Just close the eyes for a moment. Take a deep in-breath. And a sigh through the mouth. Bring your hands together into prayer. Bow the forehead down. Just thank yourself for this short amount of time today. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in and joining me for our 10-minute session this week. Any requests, please let me know. I'm really after some ideas. So let me know and I will look forward to seeing you for another video again soon.